On machine, you have to make sure that you have admin access. Then just click on these 6 dots, put your fingerprint, then tap on USB manager from menu, then select download. Here you have a couple of options. Select the attendance data, scroll down and select all data. Here it will export the .dat file into your USB. It take a few seconds and then it will display data successfully downloaded. Just unplug the USB, and now we will plug your over USB with computer, and we will see a file ending with .dat file. We will just simply copy and paste it on our desktop. Then we will open the application in which we want to print the reports. Here we will select data, then USB disk manager, click OK, refresh once, and from here we will select import data and then import from local. Then we will locate the desktop where we just pasted the .dat file, then click OK. We will wait a while, and here you go, our all data is there. Now we will close this and we will select an employee and click calculate, and here you go, we will see the records of attendance. You can change the time range. To print it, just click on report and daily attendance report.